All right, so let's do number 28. It says, if R denotes a correlation coefficient, which of the following expressions is false? Correlation and regression. So if you have learned that topic, you will know that the correlation coefficient always satisfies this. So the correlation coefficient always satisfies this condition: -1 R 1. So it's between -1 and 1 inclusive. Okay, so with this, the question says, which of the following expressions is false? Now watch, R is greater than or equal to -1 and it's less than or equal to 1, so it's between -1 and 1. So in this first case, -0.85 passes because it is still between -1 and 1. So watch, let's say this is our 0, this is our -1, and this is our 1. So -1, -0.9, 0.8, and so on. So -0.85 is somewhere around here. So it's within the range. It's within the range of -1 and 1. So this is mathematically, or this is true, because this R is correct. Now what of between 0.4 and 0.9? So you are looking for something around, okay, beyond 0.4, 0.9, somewhere around here. It still falls within the range of from -1 to 1. So this one also passes. How about this one? This is exactly the maximum range. So you have -1 to 1. So this one passes. So this one is mathematically impossible. So this is the correct answer, because the question says, which of the following expressions is false? -1.05, that's beyond -1. So -1.05 will be somewhere like here. So it's beyond the accepted range. So this is mathematically impossible, and that's the correct answer. Alright, so I remain Sam. Kindly subscribe to this channel to keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical problems.